Click on the subscribe button and notification to get all our latest videos.
Hey everyone, my name is Simon Uzoma. In this video, I'll be sharing with us different type of tie that you can use for your home, for your building, offices, your magnificent home. Okay. Number one, we have ceramic tie. Now, if you can see this ceramic tie is being manufactured from clay material, clay material. Okay. The most significant feature of this ceramic tie include their long lifespan, their versatility of use, and their high resistance to scratches and abrasion. Okay. Then number two, I have porcelain tie. Because of the subtle difference between porcelain tie and ceramic tie, porcelain tie are often classified as a type of ceramic tie. Porcelain tie are manufactured from denser clay and treated at much higher temperature than non-porcelain ceramic tie. The resultant material is therefore much more sturdy and resistant to damage, which means this one can last very long and it will give you what you actually want. Number three is Quartzite tie. These Quartzite tie are often thought to originate from quartz. Few are aware of the fact that they are manufactured from materials such as clay, shell, and feldspar that are ground together and molded into tie. This material result in harder flooring tie with low porosity that can be used both indoor and outdoor. Now, this tie is also very nice and looks so magnificent. If you are using it to tie your home, it will give it a very good fitting and very good look. Okay, number four, I have a mosaic tie. Mosaic tie are highly popular for small room applications such as kitchen and bathroom. Basically, these are ties with smaller surface area. Each tie measures less than 2 inches in both length and width. As a result, they are easier to install in small room. Okay, now this tie is used for kitchen, toilet, bathroom, and is a very good tie that will give your bathroom, kitchen, and toilet a very good look and make it look beautiful and more attractive. Okay, the next one is a marble tie. Now, see, the name implies marble tie. Marble tie, an ideal choice. They are manufactured from the highly durable natural marble stone. Because of the variability of the component material extracted, marble ties are available in almost every color. You also have a number of finishing options for marble tie, such as polished, brushed, honed, tumbled, etc., making them ideal for any room application. Now, marble tie, as you all know, marble tie is a very nice tie. Look more portable, look beautiful, look attractive, and last long and give or your house home a befitting look. Okay. Now the next one is granite tie. This granite tie, if you're looking to install tie in an area with heavy foot traffic, granite tie are the best option. They are made from the dense and hard igneous rock. Granite tie, the sparkled material and unique veining of this rock not only distinguish it from other material, but the combination of the two also means that no two granite surfaces are the same. As a result, granite tie have a wonderful reputation in the flooring industry. Now, this tie can be used to floor your house. For instance, maybe your room, your corridor, and where you think people always the staircase. This granite tie will give it a befitting look, make it look beautiful, look wonderful, look precious, that people will see it and admire it. Okay, the next one is Travertine tie. Now this tie are manufactured from travertine, a type of limestone that is a byproduct of oil spring, natural artesian springs and cave around the globe. The material is available in various colors and comprises of pits and rough textures produced by air bubbles and organic matter. The stylish surface of travertine tie highlighting your interior space and brings a natural look to it. The longevity of the travertine material can be judged from the fact that the ancient Roman structure you see in Italy today were constructed using this material. Now, what am I saying? Now, this material is natural. It gives you the natural look, make it look more sweet, more natural. When you use this tie in your home, anybody that sees this will like to be fall in love with it, because this tie it look natural and look beautiful and look attractive, look very good. And you can see that this tie is being used in the olden days or the Roman Empire. They use this tie, and it's still very relevant today. Okay, the next one is slit tie. Now, slit tie acquired from natural mineral deposit is among the most popular material used in the flooring industry. It helps produce exceptionally durable tie and induce natural beauty to give that gorgeous look to your floor. The material has the potential to keep the room warm, and its high slip resistant ensure a safe flooring option. Now, this tie can be used to floor your corridor, floor your room, your parlor. Number one, to make it look warm, to keep the room warm, and it's highly slip resistant, which means it's not a material that someone can step and the person will just fall down. No. This one is just a tie that will give befitting balance to anybody that stand on the tie. And the material is a wonderful material that can be used for any room, for parlor, for just name it, corridor and place that people normally step on. Very nice tie to be used in your home. Okay, now the next one is Sandstone Tie. Sandstone tie are designed to give a rich natural feel to your outdoor area. Among the most common applications include pools, surrounding, patios, and walkways, available in various colors, style, and sizes. Sandstone tie provide a fantastic LD appeal to wherever they are used. Okay, you can see as it's been said here that you can use it in anywhere, in pool, surrounding, and where people can step on, where people can walk on. It can be if you're in your swimming pool, it can be in your bathroom, it can be where you normally use for maybe water flows in that place. You can use this sandstone tie. Okay, the next one is Terrazzo Tie. Terrazzo Tie are composed of multiple other material types that are mainly include marble, granite, quartz, and glass. The preparation process involves curing, grinding, and polishing. The resultant surface is long-lasting, smooth, shiny, and attractive, making it ideal for public building. However, it isn't the best type of tie material for installation in home because of its slippery nature. Can you see it? This one is can use it for maybe at the wall. It might not be on the ground because of the slippery nature. You can use it to design the wall. The wall is some part of the wall of your home, and it will make it look beautiful. And the one thing about this tie is very, very unique, very strong, effective, and long lasting. Okay, number one is the Onyx Tie, manufactured from a translucent calciferous stone called onyx. Onyx tie appears very similar to marble. The unique translucent appearance resulting from the onyx stone rich material density makes it perfect for use in your living room. However, given the fragile nature of the stone, it lacks the strength required from a tie. Therefore, onyx tie are produced using resin, mesh, or fiberglass backing to enhance their strength. Now, as you can see, this tie can be used in the wall. It's not advisable to use this kind of tie on your maybe the floor because of the slippery, because of it's very slippery. So you can use it on the wall or any other part of your home. Okay. The next one is hardwood flooring. Okay, hardwood flooring tie are widely known for increasing the value of home. As soon as homeowner install hardwood on their floor, the value of the property increase owing to the non-depreciating value of wooden floor. Unlike other floor surface, hardwood floor do not require replacement every few years, and they are easy to maintain and care for after installation. While many other tiles of floor easily show any stain or dirt, hardwood tie don't. Even though it may show a bit of wear, hardwood floor are sure to last a lifetime. Now, this tie is a wonderful tie. It's a tie that can last very long. It's a tie that when you install it in your home, the value of your home will increase. It's a tie that you can be proud of. It's a tie that has to do with has to do with qualities, highly quality tie. With this tie, once you install it in your home, the value of your house will increase. This tie is very good, though expensive, but it's worth the money. Okay. Next one is Hardwood Tie. Combine the natural beauty of wood with the durability of tie. The Hardwood tie is the hottest trend in the flooring industry. More durable and water resistant than hardwood. Hardwood offer unlimited design as is free of termite risk and demand little maintenance. Although the tie look like they are made of wood, they are actually made of ceramic material. Okay, now you can see this tie, wonderful tie, nice tie. This tie lasts longer. In fact, this is one of the best tie that you can use. Look at it, look as if it's wood, but it's not wood. You can see it's made of ceramic and other material, and it's very, very nice. It gives you a wonderful befitting home and quality, beautiful and long lasting. Okay. The next one is Quartzite Tie. Now, Quartzite is a metamorphic rock that ensured a natural yet beautiful look for flooring application. The rock is produced when sandstone rich in quartz is treated at high temperature and pressure. Its high durable attractiveness and high slip resistance made it a popular option for flooring tie application at home. Particular indication: you don't have to worry about bacterial penetration as the non-porous nature of this material helps to keep liquid out. If you are looking to bring that luxurious look to your home but don't wish to spend much, Quartzite tie are perfect as the stone is relatively cheaper than the other stone tie. You can see this tie, though this tie is cheap, but it's also worth it. It has a good quality in the kitchen, just name it, where you can be easily seen, beautiful, long lasting, and good to maintain. You can easily maintain this one, though not that too expensive, but wonderful. It will actually give you what you want. Okay, as you can see, we have shared all the different type of ties and the qualities and the one to go for. I believe that what you've learned here, you can really choose one and start using it in your home. I want you to click on the subscription button and subscribe to our channel, as you'll be getting different type of information on building, on land, real estate, just name it, anything that has to do with home, you'll be getting it here. Thank you and remain blessed.
Click on the subscribe button and notification to get all our latest videos.